passport. They are gone. I'm not against that. It's a facility for Goans. But when you go there, do not comment on Goa, because you are no longer Goan. You are overseas citizen of India. You have to be more interested in what is happening in Portugal or what is happening in London. Leave Goa to us. We are there to take care of Goa. We know that you love Goa. But be positive for Goa. Do not bring roadblocks. We do not want to bring coal at Sinkerim. We do not want to bring coal at Kambarzoa. If there is a jetty being built for passengers or for tourism purpose in Shapora River, coal cannot come there. I think we have to be realistic. And somebody has to stand and answer them. And I am there for that purpose. What is required for the state of Goa, I will stand and answer these people. Because if we do not put our foot down, if we do not send a strong message to some of these people will continue and they will poison the minds of the real Goans. They will poison the minds, and some of our Goans will get carried away by such talks, by such messages, by such wrong messages being spread. And I think our department, Captain of Ports, requires to do all this study, and not only study on paper, we need to put people on job and we need to start working on this. I think 5 years down the line, we are only talking. And we have done the environment impact assessment. I think the 2 public hearings are awaited for to start the tender process. MD of Sagarmala is here. He is waiting that we are ready to give you money. You are not taking money from us. Sir, we want the money. And we will complete these projects. Not only these 6 jetties, we will want more jetties, smaller jetties, passenger jetties to explore tourism in our state of Goa. And we will want more than 20 small jetties to be built. More than 20. Because a time will come, today we have 15 lakh registered vehicles in the state of Goa. We see our population is 15 lakhs. I think it must have slightly increased to 17, 18 lakhs. And we have tourists who come to the state of Goa. We have people coming and going in and out of Goa. 15 lakh registered vehicles. I think even once the highway is ready, we will not reach airport the way we are talking. We'll reach in 40 minutes. We will not reach. It will still be the same. Because all the internal roads of Goa, which we call as major district roads, are still 6 meters only. 6 to 7 meters max. And we cannot expand them. Because if we expand them, we will lose so many houses. Houses are there, shops are there, restaurants are there, so many other businesses are there. Old Portuguese houses are there, compound walls which are so many years old. During Portuguese era they were built, or pre-Portuguese they were built. I think it will be very difficult to expand the internal roads of Goa. And we have to have the next mode of transport, that is waterways.